Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Revitaa Pro dietary supplement in the description of this video. What is Revitaa Pro? Everyone reaches a point in their lives that they decide that enough is enough. They want to make a healthy change for their body, and one of the most common changes has to do with losing weight. Changing the body has to start with making it healthier, but many consumers struggle to find the routine that works for them. The supplement industry has jumped in to help, allowing users to make a big change in the way that they approach their wellness. Revitaa Pro introduces consumers to a simple regimen that they only have to participate in twice daily to get the results that they are trying to achieve. In only a few seconds, creator Robert Miller explains that his history isn't the medical industry or supplement industry at all. Instead, he is a logistics coordinator at a shipping company, and his entire goal has been to help improve his own weight and health. Once he found the solution, he quickly makes it possible for other consumers to start using the same remedy to improve their own life. As helpful as a diet can be for some people, they are incredibly difficult to stick with. Most people end up quitting long before they ever see results, leading to the constant back and forth that the metabolism is put through. Taking on a supplement like Revitaa Pro makes it easier for consumers to reach their weight loss goals without committing to an impossible regimen. The remedy also helps users to reduce their stress, which is often a trigger for eating far more than the individual should. Stressing causes the body to release cortisol, and the only way to bring down cortisol is to trigger the production of serotonin, which many people use food to satisfy. This habit has to be broken, and the Revitaa Pro is pivotal to the change. How does Revitaa Pro work? Extraordinarily little is explained on the website to describe what exactly makes this formula so effective for consumers that are struggling with weight loss. However, there are a few ingredients that the creators mention that make a substantial difference in the health of the user and their success in weight loss. Those ingredients aren't fully disclosed, but consumers learn that the main substance included is Japanese knotweed. Japanese knotweed originally came to the United States from several countries in Eastern Asia. Most often, this ingredient is used as a way to protect the brain from the development of cognitive disorders, though it has many other health benefits that can help the average consumer. With the way that it supports the health of the heart and takes stress off of the gastrointestinal system, it also reduces high blood pressure. One of the main ways that Revitaa Pro ingredients can benefit weight loss is the way that it keeps insulin levels under control. Insulin manages the body's use of glucose, and substantial research indicates that controlling it can help users to lose weight. For years, it has been used as a solution for respiratory infections. The rest of the remedy is hidden within a proprietary blend that users won't know much about without ordering the product directly from the company. Is it possible to find Revitaa Pro on any other websites? No. The only way that users can purchase this formula is through the official website. You can find the link in the video description of this video, first link.